Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your Bitmoji outfit on Snapchat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Changing your Bitmoji outfit can be fun and show your unique style. Follow the steps to learn how to easily change your outfit on Snapchat. Open Snapchat and tap on your user icon in the top left corner. Then tap the Settings cog in the top right. In Settings, tap Bitmoji. Then tap Change My Outfit. You can also get to the Bitmoji editing page by tapping your user icon in the top left, then tapping the clothes hanger icon at the top of the page. You can scroll down the editing page to see trending clothes and outfits. Many of the clothes are free, but the ones with a price in the bottom right have to be paid for. You can tap on the icon of a shirt to see all of the shirt options. The same goes for all of the other clothes item icons. In each category, you can scroll down and choose the item that you would like to wear. When in a category, you can tap deselect in the top right to take that item off. In the far right of the options, you can choose makeup options. Once you are happy with your outfit, tap Save in the top right. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Snapchat tips and tricks.